I've used Bullhorn every day for the last 7 years, and here is everything that you need to know. AI and automation now underpins many of the recruitment processes within Bullhorn. Bullhorn's AI model uses 453 million submissions, as well as 60 million placements and 121 million jobs. This means the data it is pulling and learning from is really going to be accurate. There are 4 main ways we can use AI and automation within the recruitment lifecycle. These are auto-matching by recommending candidates for jobs, which can then put them into a ranking for your recruiters to see who AI thinks are the top candidates. You could then use an AI web-based interview or chat to screen candidates before finally engaging with them through automation via email, phone, or even SMS. According to the 2025 Bullhorn Grid Report, using AI within your recruitment processes can improve placement times by 20 to 86%. Now you're probably thinking, Loxo just got $115 million of investment for AI, so their AI should be better. Well, no, not quite. Mainly because that investment has come in now. At the start of 2025. Bullhorn have been working on AI and automation for years, if not decades. So I think it's going to take a really long time for Loxo to get to where Bullhorn now, at which point Bullhorn will have moved on to improving their AI and making that even better. Another great thing is the clarity of data you get within Bullhorn. Now recruiters aren't always brilliant at putting clean data onto their system, but through the use of products such as Bullhorn Analytics, even the main CRM, or use of automation, it's really easy to understand where your data issues are and how you can clean them up. Just for example, there are so many things you can do within Bullhorn automation to tidy that data through sending out surveys or updating records of existing data to really improve the quality of that. Additionally, within the CRM, it's very easy for you to understand what fields are and aren't being completed to really make sure that your data integrity is improving going forwards. And the analytics part within Bullhorn, you can create custom metrics, you can create data hygiene reports to ensure that the data quality in your business is being underpinned by really good practice. There is no excuse for poor data in recruitment anymore, and Bullhorn can help you every step of the way to improving that data quality. Within Bullhorn, there is something called the Bullhorn Marketplace, and this has over 300 recommended suppliers. In order to join the marketplace, you have had to have a really good track record with working with a large number of Bullhorn customers, so not just anybody can join. This means that if you're looking for a new phone system, a marketing agency, a website provider, or even someone like myself who carries out Bullhorn consultancy and improvements, you have got a go-to place to make sure that you're choosing the right provider that integrates with Bullhorn. Now, I've been working with Bullhorn, as I said, for 7 years, and I have never known a community like it. For me, this is the single thing that stands Bullhorn out from their competitors. Their events, such as Bullhotn Engage, which happens across US, Australia, and UK, is like no in-person event I've been to before. Hundreds of Bullhorn customers, plus people in the marketplace, to talk about what is going to be happening on the roadmap for the next few years within the Bullhorn product. They also have really regular webinars to inform and update their customers and potential customers about the changes and the developments and the roadmap within Bullhorn. There's been some really good webinars recently about the AI and the AI roadmap and the products that are coming to that. So make sure if you're available, do attend those webinars because they are so valuable. Finally, they do some incredible user groups for automation and for analytics. These are either in person at their offices or online, and they are sharing success stories from other Bullhorn customers that you can implement right within your business. So learn from other people, learn from their mistakes, learn from their successes, and maximize every single thing you are doing within Bullhorn. They've also created great products such as the Bullhorn Automation Playbook. That is around 90 automations that customers have put together and want to share to support one another. I've never known a community like it inside and outside of the CRM world, and this is an amazing feature that Bullhorn has, and I hope that over the coming years they're going to continue to improve that even further. Often you can go to the community to get answers. If you don't have an answer to what you need, the support and account management within Bullhorn is brilliant. You can access support over the phone, over email, and also over in the Bullhorn portal, and they're really great. You're not just speaking to a robot. These are actual people. 9 times out of 10, I normally end up speaking to the same people over and over again, which is lovely because we've now built a really great relationship with them. Top tip, if you are calling up Bullhorn support, I would highly recommend calling first thing or last thing. I always try and call around 8 till 8:30 in the morning, which means that I think the call times are a bit lower at that point, so I normally get through within a couple of seconds. If there is ever anything within Bullhorn that just doesn't quite work for you or you can't quite get right, this is where you can speak to your account management or raise a feature request, and they will come up with solutions to help you, and you can put in a feature request to make sure that this is on the Bullhorn roadmap. And Bullhorn are brilliant at that. They really do listen to their customers, and many of the features that I have recommended over the last 7 years are now coming into action, which is absolutely brilliant to see. So you're never alone. There is people out there on support and your account management who can help you day in, day out with any challenges that you face. If you want me to talk about any specific Bullhorn features, then more than happy to do so. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to talk about next.